I'm raising this matter again. I raised it last week by way of question with Minister for Justice, and I will tell you why. It's the review of the Part 4 of the Criminal Law Sexual Offences Act 2017. You're under a statutory obligation to carry out a review. That review was to be carried out within 3 months, 3 years after it became operational, the Act. That was in 2020. It's now more than 3 years later. Now, Minister Harris gave some explanation which worried me, and I reflected on it. He said one of the major causes for the delay with that report was because the person in charge was sidelined onto the review of the familicide and domestic homicide reviews. And when I looked back, now neither reviews are available, and when I looked back on that, it doesn't make sense to me, because on the untimely death of Nora Gibbons back in 20, when she died, the woman in charge of both reviews was asked to take on the review, and subsequently she was then appointed to review the Criminal Law Sexual Offences Act. So it doesn't make sense to me. She wasn't waylaid. She was already appointed on one review when she was then asked to take another review, and now we're being told that she was waylaid to take one. It doesn't make sense. Both reviews are extremely important, and you're failing in your legal obligation to carry them out. Thanks.
Thank the Deputy for raising the issue. 2 points. First of all, statutorily, if the review should happen, it should happen. Secondly, there seems to be, from what you have said, and I had the benefit of seeing the ministers, that there's human resource capacity, because one person shouldn't be doing everything in situations like this. So I will revert back to the minister in respect to this issue and see what the plans are.
Thank you, Deputy President.